Thank you. Thank you for inviting us. Very exciting. Lots of very young people. Normally we are going to industry exhibitions where the average age is around 50, so it's a nice change. I also want to say that Be Triton is not alone. We are also not digital. We are also from hardware. So we are probably facing the same challenges. But before I start, I would like to present VIZULO. Yeah, so it's a video about our factory. You can see here that we are fully producing luminaires. Basically, we are covering most of the processes except aluminum die casting. What you see here is LED board production. LED module or board is a unit which emits lighting. And it's fully automated process where is very, very little human labor force involved. And this is metal sheet production. This is CNC milling, where we are working with the metallic parts, milling the details where the LED board and the driver is attached. So it's also very, I would say, hardware, very little digital. At the same time, I have to say we have like 6 IT guys which are just doing different kind of IT solutions, mainly for marketing and sales. And here is a powder coating line where we are coating the luminaire bodies. And it's also very little labor force. Most of the parts are fully automated. And the only, I would say, only unautomated part is manual assembly of the luminaires. And this is something we are definitely looking into in upcoming years to automate the manual assembly part, to speed up the process and to exclude manual work. Okay. And here are just a video about our values, because I think to understand what is VIZULO about, you basically need to know our core values. We established this and decided on these values on the very beginning of VIZULO. That was like 2012, and we brainstormed with our initial team at that time. And since that, we haven't really changed those values. So they're active 10 years, and this is our DNA, which really helps us to move and succeed. One of the first values is speed. Being a new company in a very established market, as lighting market is very established with lots of big players, some of them have 100 years of age. We have to be much quicker than the others. The second one is passion to win. You simply need to have a passion to win to be able to stand on the floor and survive in that competition. Flexibility, the way we construct the product, each product can be multiplied in like 100,000 versions, having different colors, having different lighting output, having different light color, and so on. So flexibility is like also core value. And quality, VIZULO definitely has a top quality. If compared to the major players in the market, we stand the same strong with very, very little warranty cases. And of course, the value is design and innovation. It's very important. Even though we are creating lots of industrial products, for us it's important to polish design to excellent level. So we are proud of what we are presenting. Even though majority of luminaires are installed up high in the ceiling or high up in the pole on the street, still design makes sense, and decisions, majority of cases, are taken on the table. So people see that fixture the product they see from 1 meter distance. So it's very, very important for us to make it really top quality and top design. Okay, and now about VIZULO. We have been established in 2012, exporting today to 46 countries. Our factory is around 4,000 square meters. It's in Iecava, outside of Riga, like 40 kilometers away from Riga. And we are employing 120 people. So for a 10-year period, that's like, I think it's an amazing result, and we are very proud of that. And I think one thing what makes us special is that our initial team, engineers we acquired in the first establishment year are still with us. They used to be Riga Technical University students. Today I think they are one of the best specialists in Europe. And I'm really happy about this result because we did it just trying things. There was nobody with a previous experience in lighting production, and that was an amazing journey during these 10 years. And the product we are creating now with Norway Grants is meant for 3 major areas. The first one is warehousing, the second one is supermarkets, and the third one is industry, basically factories. Yes, why is it green? First of all, the way we are going to produce it is much greener. The process is much more automated. It's a new product line, and it's going to be lots of like robotic involvement, so very, very little human work on that part. It also excludes the powder coating process, which is not very green process as such. And the final part is that the product as such is much more energy efficient than before. So we are, let's say, making it green because of the efficiency of the product and the way how the product will be produced. So that's about it. I'm very happy to take questions.
Yeah, maybe some questions, please. Maybe you can talk more about how Norway Grants program has helped you.
Well, VIZULO has done quite many EU-funded projects. Norway is not in EU, but still. And this is our second time to be in Norway Grants. And I have to say the program as such is very, very nice, and it's very easy to work with it. If we compare with many other funding, it's much easier. You can get lots of consultations, and I think we have got really good advice on things. So I would encourage anybody who is interested to go for it in upcoming years. Definitely do it. I don't think there is any more, let's say, in a way, easier or user-friendly program in the market right now.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Maybe more questions? Okay, thank you. They are just warming up. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you.